guys, it's me back, Jasmine, and today I'm going to be showing you all of my slimes that I have been making. So let's get started. So the first one is right here, is this color, and yeah, and I named them some names, but I'm going to say in the other video when I do other videos. So yeah, that was number one. Here is the other one, and it is this color. It's blue. So yeah, okay. Here are mine. And I have like a bunch of slimes. All of them have blue glitter because I didn't have a other color. So yeah, I only blue glitter. I mean, so. And here is a green one. I have 3 green ones. So yeah, since it's so cool when you stretch it and you see all of the glitter. I don't know if you guys can see. Look. No, you guys could see it right now in this one, but they're smart that you can see it. Yeah. Here are my colors. I like them all. Like all of them are my favorite. Oh my god. So yeah, all of them are my favorite ones. Like they're so good. They stretch so good. I like more of the color. It's not because I like it, all of them, because they stretch like good. A lot of ones like this, like that. But it's because I like the color and then the glitter like that. That is why. So yeah. Okay. We are almost done, guys. So yeah. Here's the other green. But this one is like more darker, and this one's like light green. This one is just green. I just call it green. Oh, this one is just green, but that's light green. And dark green and light green. So yeah. Okay, so, oh guys, this is one. This is the one that I like because of the glitter. How it looks like. Look at all of the glitter, guys. So cute. This is one of my favorite ones because it's like my favorite color, guys. Okay, this is the last one, guys. I went too fast. Oh my god, this pizza, guys. Yesterday I tried to put it in my so look what happened. Look, I'm gonna do it again. Look, guys. Paint yourself. So yeah, guys. And guys, that is all for the video. Comment down below if you have a lot of slimes like this. And yeah, guys, bye. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you guys a lot. And I know I haven't been posting because I got a new account. Make sure it's this one. So bye, guys. Love you guys a lot.